Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about affinity chromatography. First, we all know that what is mean by chromatography. The chromatography it is a physical method of separation in which the component to be separated are distributed between two distinct phases, that is the stationary phase and mobile phase. Then what is the affinity chromatography? Affinity chromatography it is a type of chromatography which is a separation technique. It is also called sample purification technique. This technique is basically used for biological molecules. For example, various proteins by means of specific interaction of molecules. This method separates our desired molecule from the mixture. Affinity chromatography it is a separation method that involves the separation of biomolecules, biochemical mixtures based on highly specific interaction between enzyme and substrate, receptor and ligand, or protein and nucleic acid, etc. Then, principle of the affinity chromatography. Affinity chromatography it is a type of liquid chromatography for separation, purification or specific analysis of the sample components. It is utilized the reversible biological interaction. Reversible reaction means conversion of reactant to the product and again conversion of product into the reactant. It is utilized the reversible biological interaction or molecular recognition. It's called as the affinity. Affinity chromatography takes advantages of specific interaction between the analyte of interest and binding partner of the ligand. The ligand is attached to the solid insoluble matrix, usually a polymer such as agarose or polyacrylamide chemically modified to introduce reactive functional groups with which the ligand can react, forming stable covalent bond. Then procedure of the affinity chromatography. First it is the preparation of column. Initially, column is loaded with solid support such as cellulose, saccharose, agarose, etc. Ligand is selected based on the desired isolate and spacer arm. It is attached between ligand and solid support. Then second one is the sample loading. Uh, a solution having a mixture of substances is poured into the elution column and allowed to the run at the controlled rate. Then ligand molecules complex elution. The target substances is recovered by changing the conditions to favor the elution of the bound molecule. Then working of this chromatography. In this technique, the ligand is immobilized on a support. To understand the basic working process of this technique, suppose we are passing a solution of a mixture of protein through a column. The separation will be done on the basis of the affinity. In this, proteins have if the proteins have a higher affinity with the ligand on the column, it will stay there for a longer period of time and other molecules will elute faster. Likewise, the separation takes time on the basis of the affinity. Here, ligand and molecules interact just like a lock and key model. Then the applications of affinity chromatography. First one it is used in pharmaceutical industries. It is used to study enzymes and proteins in the pharmaceutical field. In the pharmacy world, affinity chromatography is used to check the quality of the proteins and the enzymes which is present into the formulation. Then it is used in genetic engineering field for the gene therapy and identification of the genes. Then it is used during production of vaccines. This chromatography mostly used into the pharmaceutical field. Then high specificity, it is achieved with the affinity chromatography. Then it is also used in the purification or removal of impurities. Then it is also used into the substrate detection, also used into the intro antigen antibody reaction. Then last one, it is the detection of single nucleotide polymorphism, and knowing the mutations in nucleic acid. This all about of the affinity chromatography. Thank you.